Head up and see what the score is. Need a hand there, fellas? McCleary? No, I can scalp in this hero by myself. No, we're all right. Cheers, though. Fair enough.
You want to transfer here, McCleary? You'd give me less lip.
No, he loves it.
Cleary! My office! And don't make me ask again!
In a better mood today, is he?
You'll be all right, Kaz. Get used to it. We all get...
Give me a minute to check. It is fair again, I can see from here.
Grill crew will love that.
Rennick will love it even more. You're telling him.
I told him last time. This one's all yours.
Stay on the path, mate. A cargo hoist will crush you if you get close.
McCleary! Jesus, Scooby! You gave me a heart attack.
Oh, sorry, mate. Can I ask a wee favour?
What do you need, Scoob?
Ah, could you do me a quick fix on the crew lift fuse box while you're down there?
I need... It's not going to work while the fuse is fried. Better get on that. It's not going to work while the... Well, here we fucking go.
Enter!
Ah, Mr. McCleary. So glad you could join me, and sorry to have got you out of bed. Shut the door and have a seat.
I'm fine, Stan.
Sit your arse in that chair, you fucking liability.
But I don't...
I run a tight ship. Do you understand me? A tight ship.
Technically, it's no shit.
Shut your gob, you Ned prick! I am sick to fucking bouking of you wee gobshites messing with my operation. That chef might be a mate of yours, but he does not run things around here. I do. Do you understand me?
All right, why don't you just get on with it?
Don't you answer me back!
You might be the height of shite on shore, McCleary, but out here, I am the fucking king. Do you understand me? You bring the police to my door, to my rig.
Look, I can sort this, right? I just need time.
Shut it, you clatty gobshite. I've got here's a man who can make a more positive contribution to this operation than you.
Look, I know...
Shut it! I'm in a meeting. What? Fuck's sake, Gibbo, I don't care. We're on a schedule. It's a fucking drill. You've got a fucking drill, so drill through it. Yeah, well, Roper's a whiny old fud. He's got a problem with everything. I don't care if it feels off. Just fucking do it! Or I'll come down there myself.
Trouble with the missus?
You're fired. You hear me? Fired.
Come on, man. It's only a wee bit of trouble with the polish. I'm good with the lecky. I keep things running, you said it yourself.
Out! Get off my rig!
Aye. A happy new year to you too, you cunt. Well, no more running for you, Kaz. Jesus, Gregor! Gregor! Get away from the edge! Gaz! Gaz! Get back, man! Gaz! Help me! Gaz! Don't let me die, man! Please! I don't want to die! I don't want to die! Jesus, just hang on! Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
Christ, but you're a right pair. 2 bars and a ball bag.
Now listen, Pat. I promise I'll take care of him. I had a word with our Kieran, you remember him? He knows Billy Chamberlain from way back. Owes me a favour. Reckons he can sweeten Billy up a bit. Come on. Have I ever let you down?
Right, you lost the cake at the wedding.
Now then, that wasn't my fault.
You left it on a bench at Argyle Street.
Aye, you were that bloated you didn't even remember baking the cunt.
Oh, my children, that was before the light of the Lord came to me.
Here we fucking go.
And you, Mr. McCleary, you can fuss and cuss all you like. But perhaps if you went to the Saracens a little less and the Tabernacle a little more, then perhaps you'd not be in this pickle, eh?
Don't look at me. You're the one who decided to spend the next 4 months trapped on a rig with this vamp pot.
Susan, I promise you, we will get this straightened out.
I will. You'd better.
Guys! Christ! He's gone cold! Shit! Guys!
Get his legs! We can't leave him out here! Move! Fuck, Kaz!
I think he's dead!
We've got you, man, alright? We've got you! He's breathing, thank Christ. Kaz, come on. Wake up, Kaz. Why is he not waking up? Can you hear me? Is he going to die, Brody? Kaz? I need your help here! McCleary! Thank Christ! You alright being up on your feet?
My heat's killing me, but... Aye, I think so. You got me out. Did you get Gregor?
I got you, aye. I couldn't find Gregor.
Fuck.
I'm sorry, Kaz.
Jesus.
He's not the only one we lost. No! Rass is still in there. Why aren't these working? Kaz! I need you to help me. Kaz!
What? Right, aye, what do you need?
The cable's stuck. Go down and release the main brake, then come back up and raise the bell. If you can get it to my level, I think I can get him out.
Aye.
Rafts, it's all right. We're getting you out. We'll be 2 minutes, pal. That's it. Come back and winch up the bell now.
What's going on, Brody? What happened?
Don't know. The drill hit something. An air pocket or gas explosion, nobody knows. But whatever it was big. You were lucky, trust me. Douglas is trying to find out more. Like if the bear is even safe now.
What's wrong with Rafts?
I don't know, alright. Decompression shouldn't be this bad. I shouldn't have let him go down there. I said I'd look after him. I'm here, Rafts. It's Brody. I'm gonna get you out.
Is there anything more I can do?
No, I'll get him. We need to know what's going on up top. You'll need to go through engineering. The way up is blocked from here.
Where's engineering for here? I've never been doing this end before.
The only way you'll get there is to go under the rig. Should be a clearer path down there.
All right, I'll head down now. Jesus. What is this stuff? Jesus. Jesus. Look down. Shit. Shite! Gonna hit the whole fucking sea again. Shite! Gonna hit the whole fucking sea again. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, just get across.
Attention, crew of the bearer. There's been a minor drill issue, so for the time being, we are suspending drilling operations until it's fixed. Stand by for further information. This is a temporary drill issue.
Drill issue? Jesus Christ. Where the fuck am I? Finally, something useful. What is that? Stuck fast. Jesus.
McCleary. Guys, over here.
Jesus, Finn. You alright? You look like you've seen a ghost. Who's making that noise?
Gibbo. He's making that racket.
Should we no find him, help him?
No, wouldn't recommend that.
What does that mean?
It means he's no alright. After that explosion, he got oil or some shite on him and just... I don't know. He freaked out. Went for me. He's still out there.
You mean out here? As in out here with me?
Aye, that's exactly what I mean.
Oh, that's just fucking brilliant. You seen anyone else?
I just got here. Where you going anyway?
Back to accommodation.
Listen, you'll have to get through the water tanks to get up to accommodation. And quiet like.
Gotta go all the way up there? Jesus. And what about Gibbo?
Stay the fuck away from me. You listening to me? It's no right, Kaz.
I'm not arguing.
Kaz. Be fucking careful, eh?
Aye. You know.
This isn't going to open. Fuck! Ha!
Go away! I don't feel like it all. Stay away!
What the fuck? What did you do? No! Douglas! Douglas! Oh, Jesus. No. Can he be? Shit. Oh, God. Jesus.
I'm sorry.
Jesus.
I need to get warm.
I can't feel my hands to move.
Jesus.
Just a wee minute by the heater. God, stop. Shake. Fuck. Stop thinking about it. Just stop thinking about it. Jesus. Jesus. Right. Right.
Is there anyone here? Hello? If there's anybody here, fucking say something! McCleary here?
Cass, it's O'Connor. I've got Bruce and Fergus with me. You know what's going on?
No, but we hit something. You need to get out of there.
Don't need to tell me twice. Listen, something's wrong in engineering. It's not safe. We'll go through the Legnan and come up through the Underrick. Rennick better give the evacuation.
O'Connor? You have to go through accommodation. It's all blocked. Do you hear me? O'Connor!
I'm going to book. Christ, that stuff is rank.
Roy!
No, he's not here, fuck. I have to go around the crew lounge and try the galley. Please be there, mate. Trots? Is that you in there?
Trots? Trots, is that you? I can't hear you, man. Open the door. Trots, the door's blocked. I can't get to you. What's up, wee man? Are you hurt? Jesus Christ. Jesus, Trots! Trots! Hello?
Bloody hellfire! Get in, quick.
Thank God you're all right. Jesus, what are you doing in here?
What do you think I'm doing in here? What the bloody hell is going on?
I don't know. People are dying, Roy.
Dead? Who's dead? How?
Douglas. Trots, I think. I don't know, it's this thing. I think it's doing something to people. I don't know what to believe, know what I mean?
I really do. I saw something out on the deck. I didn't stay to look, it just scared the shit out of me. I should barricade the door.
We can't hide, Roy. We have to get off this rig right the fuck now.
What, without Rennick say so?
Roy, did you hear Rennick? What, you think we're getting evacuated? He'd want everybody back at work if we were at the bottom of the North fucking Sea.
Right. The lifeboats, then?
Aye. You stay. Barricade the door. Let me clear a path, and once we're ready to go, I'll come and get you, right?
I'll be here, don't worry. Getting some extra prayers in.
Aye, we're gonna need them.
Gaz, you won't leave me. It's bloody terrifying out there.
I'm not leaving you, pal.
I wouldn't blame you if you did, mate.
I mean, you got all the food in here for a start. Listen, get your man upstairs on the case, and I'll see you soon, right?
things. Jesus. Ah, my head. Ah, fucking hell. What is that? Fuck. Maybe I can get through the laundry. No, locked. Hello? Anybody in here?
There are warnings of gales in all areas. For general synopsis, depression north.
Oh, shite! I'm not going back in there. Locked. Christ. How am I going to get down there? Shit!
Attention crew the Bearer. All personnel need to get to their nearest evacuation point. And don't you all get too excited now. You'll all be back at work in 15 minutes once I get all this nonsense straightened out.
You fucking bastard. Oh, come on. Get to the other one. Shite! No! Jesus Christ. Let's not do that again. Oh, come on, you're joking me. Oh, thank Christ. Here it is. Okay, right. Looks easy enough. Halfway out of here. One more. One more. Right. Now the lever. Get it into position. Nearly out of this. gonna open? Oh, that's just brilliant. Perfect. Now fucking what? No way through.
Who's
Rennick, it's me, Kaz.
McClary, what the fuck are you doing to my lifeboats?
It's gone. It just fell off into the fucking sea.
You must have done it wrong.
Fuck off, Rennick. You built this fucking thing, not me.
Who's with you?
Roy's in the canteen. Finlay and Brody are alive.
Listen to me, McClary. Get your ass up to the chopper pad. Bring anyone else you can find too. And whatever you do, don't touch this stuff all over the bearer.
I can't get back out. There's a safety door. The railings are all gone.
For God's sake, do I have to tell you how to do everything? Give the door a tidy kick at the bottom. It'll open right enough.
What about you?
Just concentrate on getting to the pad. Don't worry about me.
You see, Rennick?
What?
Well, does this mean we're okay, like? No hard feelings?
Get to fuck, McClary, and when you get back, fuck off again. I'd be happy to see you drown, but I'm not having your death on my fucking record.
Go on yourself, you old fud. Fucking cheap bastard. Shite! It's Kaz, Ennis. What's going on?
Jesus, I need help. I don't know what to do.
What was that?
Christ, something's happening to me. Oh no!
Ennis. Ennis! Fuck. stuff is taking over. Christ. Don't fucking fall. Don't fucking fall. Jesus. Is that Trots? Jesus Christ. What the fuck?
Told him it's no right.
How's he no deed? Fucking move it!